Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a package. So I thought we would open it together. And look, it's another box inside of a box. All right. Another box. Oops. Let's see. Let's do it this way. Ugh. And another box. All right, there we go. So, here it is. I purchased a new die cutting machine. Let's see what it looks like. Power cord. And my mini machine. Okay. So, this is what I bought. I thought, since I don't have very big dies, I didn't need the full size one. So I bought the mini, and it won't take as much space up in my office or on my desk like the Gemini does. So, there we go. It's very cute. So, we have the embossing mat, the regular plate, the well, does not want to come out. The magnetic plate and the thin metal. Alright. And then the other plate. Alrighty. And then, ooh, this is pretty. Anna Griffin's Layered Lattice. That will be very pretty. We're going to have to try that out. Let's see. What else did we get? Alright. Well, that is that. Let's see. Let's see. What does it come with? Hope. Interesting. Okay. So we'll take all these off and that and that. Get rid of this. Well, we're going to try this out. I have some paper here. Let's see. Let's see here. Place plate A on your work surface. Stack the folder with the paper inside on top and run. Ooh. That's really pretty. All right. Wow. Okay. Like that folder. All right. I don't need these two. So let's try out this one. Let's try out Hope. Let me get some color cardstock. Alright. It's all sticky. Just trying to get it all off. Okay. There we go. And let's run this through and see what it looks like. All right. All right. All right. That's really pretty. I like that. So, all right. Well, that's all I have for you right now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I will see you in the next one.